Hey, what's going on? So back out here in the garage, freezing my ass off. Got the motor in there. Just have to make some mounts up. So what I'm going to do here is just have a temporary piece of steel on the bottom. Just align my chain and all that, make sure everything fit. Basically just going to make up something like this. This one almost fits. And then just another one like that. Just out of one piece of steel. This one's too small, but obviously, you get the idea out of it. Cut the middle out so it's not so heavy. In the backs, I'll do the exact same type of thing. Just mount the motor in there, hold it secure. For the back ones too, I'm going to make something up like this. I'm just going to take a bar or a tube, cut it in half, take those pieces of steel and cut the triangles out of them. And I'm just going to grind into that piece of steel the tube, so then this will go right into it, then weld it on both sides so it's really strong. And just over there in the bike. Back to that back bar there. I'll hold it great. Carb just fit. Have some clearance there. The stock air box didn't want to fit. It had a little toolbox on it built in and a battery box on the side of it built in. So I just shaved those off for now and fits in there okay. I'm just going to have to make some mounts for that to hold it up. If I'm getting in there too good. Chain's looking pretty nice and straight. Motor and everything's looking nice and straight. Feet pegs are going to work pretty good. Motor's actually going to go down a little bit too once this piece of steel's out. Another thing I'm messing around with too is a muffler. This is a stock muffler off the bike. That's not going to work on this. So I'm just going to use this front part, cut it somewhere. And I have this other tube too. Same width. Cut that. I got a pipe bender back there. Bend it to whatever angle I want and all that. And then figure out what muffler end I want to put on it. Muffler tip. I don't want to spend any money on this, so just use stuff that I have laying around. Couldn't believe it when I found this thing. This is actually off of a Suzuki 250. This was off a 250, but this is off a Suzuki KS400. So I might use this, but I think this might be too small for it. We'll see what happens there. That'll make some mounts up, get this motor in there real secure, and start another video up. Put the other back tire on it, get the chain on, everything. So, is there anything you guys actually want to see me doing? Just let me know in the comments. If not, thanks for watching. Keep your stick on the ice. PG out.